Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to remove unwanted objects from old photos with AI Image Colorizer. So, let's jump right in. Before we dive in, here's the best part. No account creation needed. You can start refining your photos right away. No sign-up hassles. However, if you decide to sign up, you will unlock even more features. Behold the homepage, a playground of digital possibilities. But today, we're focusing on cleaning up old photos. Head to the Clean Up Photos section and hit that Clean Up button. Next, just upload image to choose the photo you want to enhance. Here's where the magic happens. Adjust the brush size and strength to your liking. It's like customizing your creativity. Then, choose the area using the tools given. With the area marked, it's time to work wonders. Click Erase and let the object remover work its magic. In seconds, watch the unwanted object disappear as if it was never there. And lo and behold, a moment reclaimed from the past, free of distractions. So go ahead, remove the unwanted and let your memories shine. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep crafting moments picture perfect.